Vivo unveiled the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro in China and the global market. In December, the leak suggests the Vivo X300 Ultra may become the industry's first smartphone to feature a pair of 200-megapixel cameras as part of its rear triple-camera setup. That all three rear cameras on the X300 Ultra will be equipped with upgraded, large sensors compared to the Vivo X200 Ultra. The most notable claim is the inclusion of two separate 200-megapixel sensors. Main camera, 200-megapixel Sony IMX90E. Secondary camera, 50-megapixel Sony LYT828. Periscope telephoto, 200-megapixel Samsung HPB. The primary camera might feature a 35mm focal length. A 50-megapixel front-facing selfie camera. The Vivo X300 Ultra is currently being tested with a new 6.8-inch OLED screen featuring a flat design and 2K resolution support. The Vivo X300 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm's flagship octa-core 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, offering 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage. The Vivo X300s and Vivo X300 Ultra may debut in Q2 2026. It is also expected to hit the global market around the same time, marking the first Vivo Ultra branded phone to release outside of China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.